Tweed Delight is a woolen tweed yarn with a classic composition, primarily made from a lovely South American wool and pretty tweed flakes from viscose. The yarn is lightly twined with a rustic structure, which makes it really nice and soft and creates a beautiful end result. You can use Tweed Delight when you want a beautiful classic look you can stay warm in, and it's ideal for soft sweaters, hats, and scarves. So enjoy the beautiful play of colors in Tweed Delight, where we've put extra effort into creating a lovely harmony between the primary color of the yarn and the cute little flecks.